Hello students, welcome to English lesson. Today we will make a project. You are going to make your own volcano. Are you ready? Let's get started. Firstly, I am going to tell you what you will need for the project. Let me show you the things that you will need it. You need a thick paper. A container, but it is up to you. This is just what I found at home. You can check what you have as a container, you can use it. I use dish soap. You can use detergent as well. I mix dish soap with the water. Another thing is vinegar. You will need vinegar as well. An empty bottle. Please make sure that you have the small one, not the big one. It will be enough if you use this kind of bottle. Okay, this is a baking soda. One more thing, you may also use food coloring. I will use it and you may also use if you have it. Okay, let me read the instructions. First, you put the bottle upside down on the thin cardboard and draw a circle around it. After that, cut out the circle. Fold the cardboard to form a cone. Put some tape on it. Cut the cone so it is straight at the same height as the bottle. Put the bottle inside. Use the sticky tape to fix the mouth of the bottle to the cardboard. Alright students, let's do our project together. And firstly, I will put the empty bottle inside the cone like this, and you can add it or pour anything inside the bottle with this small hole as you see. I will put the cone in the middle of container and to make sure that the area will not be dirty. So firstly, you can see the dish soap. I will pour it inside the bottle, empty bottle. After that, I'm going to pour the vinegar inside. Make sure that you fill the bottle, half of the bottle with vinegar. After that, you can use food coloring. And finally, we will use baking soda and we will see what will happen. You can see the volcanic eruption. I made my volcano. You may also make yours at home. It is so easy. You can do it. You can see the lava comes. It's a magic, isn't it? You can see the lava. It still comes. It is too much. The container is full of lava. Also make the same project at home. Please, after you make it, and take a picture and upload in Class Dojo. Thank you very much for today. I hope you like the project. See you next time. Bye bye.